Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Phone, so you act now. Update iOS if prompted. You want the latest call filtering features. Once in Phone, enable Silence unknown callers to send non-contacts to voicemail. This immediately cuts scripted spam. Make sure your important numbers are in Contacts or Favorites so they still ring. If you use multiple SIMs or ESIMs, check each line settings. This sets the foundational behavior before adding filters or apps. Once done with basic silence, add active filters. Go to Call Blocking and Identification and enable any trusted spam apps you've installed. You should pick an app with a large database and a reputation for low false positives. Open the app, allow permissions, and enable its extension in settings so it can identify or block calls. Also manually block persistent numbers from recents. Press the Info button and select Block this caller. This layered approach reduces both automated robocalls and manual spam. To finish, review focus and do not disturb rules so legitimate callers aren't accidentally silenced. Make sure favorites bypass focus if required. Test by having a trusted contact call. If you still get spam or legitimate calls are blocked, toggle airplane mode or restart the iPhone to refresh network settings. If problems persist, contact your carrier and ask about network-level call blocking or trace call options. A quick reset or carrier intervention usually resolves misrouting or blocking conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.